of questions are true or false type of questions. These are the really tricky ones, because until and unless you have read that topic, you cannot guess if it's true or false, right? But still, I'll tell you a trick to solve this. So let's see a question. Which of the following statements are true? First is Crohn's disease always involves rectum. Second statement, basal cell carcinoma rarely metastasizes. All murmurs increase on respiration, and laparoscopic cholecystectomy is never done in gallbladder empyema. So which of these are true? Is it A and B? Is it A and C? Is it only B, or all are true? So by reading the statements, you may feel, yeah, everything seems true for me. And you can answer this kind of question only if you have read Crohn's disease, only if you have read basal cell carcinoma in depth. I mean, in depth, not just superficially. You have revised, and if you really understood the concept of Crohn's disease, if you have read the pathophysiology, if you have read it from the start, only then you can answer this kind of question whether Crohn's disease involves the rectum or not. But if you are not studied, if you have forgotten the concept, let me tell you a trick to attempt these kind of questions, right? So look for the all or none type of statements. Okay, all of the following, or none of the following, or it's never. When you see these kind of questions, pay attention to those, because most of the times those are the kind of statements which are going to be wrong. So if there are no such statements, then you need to skip this question. You can't take risk. But if there are, like for example, there are, look at the third statement, all murmurs increase on inspiration. Sounds doubtful, right? Not all murmurs increase on inspiration. So the third statement is false. Option C is false, because all murmurs don't increase on inspiration. Even though you don't know which type increase, which type decrease, but in your mind you know that all murmurs don't. So C is false. So let's eliminate which contains C. So option B is out of the equation. Now let's see if we have this words again. So fourth statement has it. Never done. Lap chole is never done in gallbladder empyema. It's done. So even option D is false. So you have eliminated two options. Like, but when you see option A, it also has always. Choose it as false, and only the right statement is option B. That is, basal cell carcinoma rarely metastasizes. It's true. The basal cell carcinoma doesn't metastasize. So by applying this logic, you got this MCQ right.